guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am going to be unboxing my Pat McGrath box, and I'm super excited. This is the first time I ever purchased from them. So anyways, this is what the box looks like inside. Comes with a packing slip. Ta-da! And it also comes bubble wrapped in here. Okay, I'm just gonna use this. Here it is, you guys. Look how beautiful. So freaking pretty. So this is the Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana palette. I love the box. Super cute. And this is what the palette looks like. It looks exactly the same as the box. And in the back it has the names of the shades. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Super duper pretty. I'm super happy that I got this palette. And it does come with a nice big mirror. Very excited to finally have my first Pat McGrath palette. I will be swatching them today. So yeah, I'm super duper excited. So let me start off by reading you guys the names. This one is Nightfall, Cosmic Champagne, Nocturnal Navy, Lunar Lavender. This one's Lunar Lavender, Auburn Allure, and then Golden Angelica. This one right there. This one is Bronze Infatuation, Desert Divinity, Eternal Amour, Fabulosity. This one right here. Heavenly Bronze, this one right there, and then Flame Fatale. And then we have Altered State, super pretty color. Guilty Opulence, this one right here. Violet Vixen, right here. Aquarian Dream, super pretty. This one is Venusian Peony, hopefully I'm saying that right. And then lastly we have Starlit Copper. Super beautiful colors. Okay, so I'm going to start swatching them right now. I think I'm going to swatch them here, or maybe here. We will see. The shadow is obviously not the best. I had to swatch it 3 times, but so far the other shadows feel really nice. So that's all of the colors. They're really pretty. This pink one wasn't that great when I swatched it, or this red one right here, and this brown one, but the other ones swatched really nicely. So I can't wait to try them on my eyes and see if they work really good or if they suck. We will see. I'm super excited though because the colors are super duper beautiful. So this is what it looks like in front of the window. They're really pretty. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys also got this beautiful palette. And if you did, have you guys already tried it? What do you guys think of it? Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.